The Studio module is the core offering of the Yellow AI platform to design and build your chatbots. It module can be accessed using the Switcher tab on the top left. We can find all the features of the module in the left pane. By clicking on a tab, we can access its functionalities. The most important features of the Studio module includes Build, Database, Learn, FAQs, Document Cognition, Event Hub and Conversation Logs. In the Overview section, we can select a bot from the existing list or create a new bot. After selecting a bot, we can choose the environment to work with and select the Studio module from the Switcher tab. We will be taken to the Flows page in the Build tab. This page houses a flowchart which will give us an idea of how the bot is going to converse on a holistic level irrespective of the use case-based flows that we create. A collapsible pane on the right lets us access the chatbot window where we can test conversations with the bot. We can close or collapse this window at any point of time. We can publish the bot to higher environments using the Publish Bot button. The Flows drop-down above the flowchart will let us access all the flows that we have created for this bot. Clicking on the flow from the relevant category will take us to the configured flow in the Builder section. We can click on the Home button here to access the conversation flowchart again. The FAQ section on the Build page allows us to configure various FAQs for the bot. When the user input matches one of the FAQs added in this section, the bot can respond with a suitable reply added here. The Natural Language Understanding section, or NLU, lets us configure various intents and entities and train the bot on them so that they can understand user input better. The Code section next to the NLU section allows us to write custom logic in the form of stateless functions. These can be invoked in the bot flows to implement custom requirements. In the Localization tab, we can configure bot responses in various languages, and this can help us to override the default translation of the bot when the user prefers to converse in languages other than English. The API tab lets us configure and test various APIs on the platform before invoking them in the bot flows. The Database section of the platform lets us create tables to store and access data collected during the bot conversations with the users. Using the Learn tab, we can train the bot on contextual intents, and this will enable the bot to respond to various kinds of small talks initiated by the users. The Document Cognition is a cognitive layer in the platform where we can upload business documents. The contents of these documents can be parsed by the platform, and the bot can also be trained to answer various user queries if they match any of the contents available in these documents. The Event Hub allows us to manage various kinds of bot events. These can be events that occur in the Yellow AI platform and other channels. We can also schedule events and create custom events to integrate with other channels. Conversation Logs allows us to access the conversation history between the bot and other users.